Everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shields McEwen, and you are watching Carolina Custom Homes with Shields. Check it out. Is this thing not just absolutely beautiful? So today I'm at our store here in Burlington, going to be taking you through our red hot Carolina Logan lot model. It's been a long time since I walked through here with you guys, so I wanted to bring it back. It consists of 1,804 square feet, 3-bed, 2-bath. It does have some flex space that we've got set up as a secondary den, but as far as exteriors go, this has got to be up there with one of the best. A few things to note from today. Check out the awnings that we've got, 2 awnings. Got the little corbels up there in the gables for some detail. That is an optional window up there in the gable, along with that doggy ear or turn gable over the master bedroom window there. That is optional as well. I just absolutely love this red siding. So this is red vertical siding. It's actually vinyl. Obviously you can do hardy board or whatever, but it just packs a punch, makes a statement. Check it out. So much texture to this house. So this is one of those 3-piece plans where this front porch is quite literally included in this front module. Okay, so that's what kind of gives you this look, is the fact that this porch is built in to that third or front module. Okay, notice the double side lights there. That is always a nice touch to your front door or entryway. Really good size front porch. So this is about 15 feet deep here, and then 20 foot across. Okay, great little spot for rocking chairs. Absolutely love it. So let's get in here and take a look. What's cool about this Logan plan is when you walk in, you've got a true dedicated foyer entryway, okay, which opens up to just this outstanding open concept here. I will turn back to that entryway here in a second. Today's video is featuring the taller 9-foot ceilings. That is an option in any plan. Raise those ceilings up from 8 feet to 9 feet. In that entryway, you do have a coat closet, which is always outstanding. Good storage for coats and guests. Notice the exposed beams up there. That's always a nice touch. There are different color beams. You can put them in master bedrooms, secondary dens. You can really put them anywhere you want to, okay? All right, so I'm going to get to the kitchen and dining and all that, but I did want to talk about this front living space here. You have seen videos where that wall is taken back, flush with that wall there. So what I'm getting at is you can create a bigger living room here. Basically, the easiest way to think of it is the living room is going to go out to that secondary column. Where those rocking chairs are is now going to be part of this larger utility room, or larger living room, okay? So you've seen a few videos of people doing that. You've also seen videos with people keeping the wraparound cavity on that front porch and having a little bit smaller living room, but a little bit bigger front porch. All of that really is determined by what you're going to do with the main or with the flex space from here over. So really, you're designing this house from the island over, and you're actually designing. You know, if you want to make the kitchen bigger or whatever, you can use all of this flex space running to that end wall to create anything you really want to, okay? I'll go into more detail, but you could essentially extend the kitchen. You could make a smaller den and a larger dining, a big formal dining room, turn this into a sunroom with more windows. We've got it accessed with French pocket doors here, leading into a secondary den. Just a nice and cozy secondary den here, family room. Notice the transom windows letting in that natural light. Beautiful. That wall, we actually start you with no wall there at all, okay? So it'd just be an open den or open area, open space coming off of that dining. And then let's get into this kitchen. Look how nice these sliding glass doors are. I get a lot of people that kind of rule out sliding glass doors right off the rip, but I want to tell you, I mean, these things are nice. These are not your 1980s sliding glass doors, okay? On to the kitchen. Absolutely love the white kitchen. White tops, white cabinetry. Check out that beautiful white sink. Got the accent blue island with the beautiful stools there. Undermounted switches and outlets. You see a lot of my videos with the range hoods, the decorative range hoods. Here today you're going to see the mounted microwave up above that range/oven. So check this out. You've got pantry cabinets, great storage cabinets, and you've got this pantry closet. So although it's not like a gigantic walk-in pantry, that's still really good storage. The Logan is built by Nationwide Homes, and then we, Carolina Custom Homes, are going to be your builder on site. So we do your footings, your foundations, setting it up with the crane. This is the utility room here. We're going to build your porches and decks and garages and put in your HVAC, flooring, all that stuff is stuff we're going to do on site once we drop the house on the foundation. Nice exterior door there, 200 amp service. Hard to beat this plan, just nice and open. So much flexibility with that area over there. 4th bedrooms, I went through it all earlier, but so much flexibility. I can throw some different ideas by you as well. Love the way this house is decorated. Beautiful. I love the blues. So on to the master suite. Just love the double windows. Hard to beat the natural light. Every bedroom is wired and braced for a fan. We do have some fan options through us. There are a few different options, but at the end of the day, if you want to bring in your own fans, that's something you can do. Check out this closet. This thing is absolutely massive. Now you have seen the premium wood shelving. That is always going to be an option. Today you're just seeing the wire and brace, or sorry, the wire shelving. But if you want to do wood shelving, number one, you can get it through me, or if you want to have something to do on the weekends, I can leave out all the shelving and you do it yourselves. There's an attic access pull down to access those storage trusses that all of our plans come with. So our attics aren't wasted space. You have a nice little alleyway there throughout the middle of the plan for some great storage. Absolutely beautiful. From the lighted mirrors to the standalone tub. And I say it as a compliment, but this is Nationwide's smallest shower option. I mean, look at it. I mean, it's super nice. Now, I will say this is the only shower option that does not include tile. Obviously, you see tile there, so it's an option, but it's not included. We did add the soap box, the transom window, and the rain head, and one additional can light. So I would prepare you for one can light. We did not run the tile to the ceiling like you've been seeing a lot of my videos featuring the tile to the ceiling. We did not do that, but you can. So basically this is the Heartland bathroom. And where it starts you is a linen closet and this same size shower just in fiberglass. So you could keep the storage closet if you're not a tub person, add tile or not to that shower. And then obviously you have seen plenty of videos where we utilize this space for those larger showers, okay? And then when you lose the storage closet, we try to work you in some linen cabinets there. So you have some spot, or a spot for your towels and all that stuff. The lighted mirrors have been an absolute hit. We've got this type, and then you've seen the black framed lighted mirrors. They're about the same cost. It just depends on which one you like more at that point. I did want to point out, in our models, I have one room in every house with very similar plans. So you're walking the Carolina Logan. Really the one I wanted to show you is this right here. So notice how we do not have the wraparound section of the porch, but we have that larger living room, okay? That was one of the main points I wanted to show you there. You've got the Heartland 3. You've seen tons of videos of that. Hard to beat as far as price point and what you're getting for your money. A living room and a den, 3 bedrooms. And I've also got the Heartland 4 over there. You've seen that many times as well. Okay? So let's cross this main section and check out the spare bedrooms. I will pan around one more time in here just to show you how beautiful this thing is one last time. So this is the Carolina Logan. It is located at our office at 2450 North Church Street, Burlington, North Carolina, zip code 27217. All of my information is down there in the description. But email me directly, Shields, SHIELDS, at nccustommodulars.com. If you want to call our office, it's 336-226-9066. Please ask to speak with me, Shields. Spare bedroom number 1. I did want to talk about the LP Tech Shield. So this is a radiant bearing heat sheathing. It's going to keep a lot of excessive heat out of your attics. You can line your roof in that material for less than $1,500. Studies show that attics can be up to 30 degrees cooler when they have that technology built in, okay? Good sized bedrooms, nice closets, you know, for spare bedrooms. Nationwide's included 2-panel doors, hardware, casing, crown molding. All of that stuff would be a great example of standard. Bath 2, tub shower combo. That is our included tub shower combo. You've seen the bigger tub shower inserts that we're offering now. Obviously, I can rip that out and do a stand-up shower if you would like. And then here is the second of the spare bedrooms, bedroom number 3. All right, guys, so, you know, thanks for all the views. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. It helps me out a ton, helps my numbers, helps the videos get out there more when you like and subscribe. So please do that. If you have any questions, though, I've given you my contact information. Please get with me. Every Monday and Thursday, I drop new videos. Hope you're enjoying them. If you have any comments on things you want me to feature more or less in these videos, please drop a comment after you like and subscribe, of course. Anyway, guys, take care.